What if I told you that investing isn't just for the wealthy? That with as little as $50, you could start building a future that gives you financial freedom. Whether you're 18 or 48, today's video will walk you through exactly how to start investing, step by step, even if you know nothing about the stock market. Let's break it down simply, without the Wall Street jargon. Before we begin, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We release weekly content to help you build wealth the smart way, starting from scratch. Section 1: Why you must start investing early. Most people think saving money is enough. It's not. With inflation averaging around 2 to 3% per year, your money loses value sitting in a savings account. Now imagine your money working for you, growing quietly, day and night. That's what investing does. If you invest just $100 a month starting at age 20 and earn an average 8% return, you'd have over $300,000 by age 60. That's the power of compounding. Section 2: What is investing? Really, at its core, investing is about putting your money into something that grows in value over time. That could be stocks, real estate, ETFs, index funds, or even your own business. The goal: buy assets that increase in value or generate income like dividends or rent. It's not gambling, it's long-term growth with calculated risk. Section 3: The 3 main investment options for beginners. Let's talk about your first 3 options as a beginner. 1. Index funds and ETFs. These are low-cost funds that track the market, like the S&P 500. You get instant diversification, and you don't have to pick individual stocks. 2. Individual stocks, buying shares of companies like Apple or Amazon. It's riskier, but can be more rewarding. Only invest here once you understand the basics. 3. Real estate REITs. If buying property isn't possible yet, try REITs, real estate investment trusts. They're like stocks, but for real estate, you get rental income without being a landlord. Section 4: How much should you invest? You don't need thousands. Start with what you can. Even $50 or $100 a month is enough. The key is consistency. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Investments. Apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, Robinhood, or Charles Schwab make it easy to invest small amounts automatically. Section 5: Mistakes to avoid. Avoid these beginner traps. Trying to time the market. You won't beat the pros. Investing money you need soon. Only invest money you can leave for 3 to 5 years or more. Going all in on one stock. Always diversify. Letting fear control you. The market goes up and down. Stay focused on the long game. Remember, patience builds wealth. Section 6: Build a plan. Your first investment blueprint. Here's a basic beginner blueprint. Step 1: Open a brokerage account. Fidelity, Vanguard, or M1 Finance are great. Step 2: Set up auto transfers, even if it's $50 a month. Step 3: Start with a total market index fund like VT, or S&P 500 fund like VU. Step 4: Reinvest dividends, let them grow. Step 5: Leave your money alone, don't panic sell. This system works quietly in the background while you focus on living your life. Section 7: Final thoughts. Don't wait for the perfect time to start investing. The perfect time was yesterday. The second best time is today. You don't need to be rich to start, but you need to start to get rich. Investing isn't about luck. It's about habits, patience, and knowledge. If this video helped clarify your first steps into investing, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share this with someone else who wants to grow their wealth too. Drop a comment. What is the first stock or fund you're reinvesting in? Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't need to make more money. You need to make your money work smarter.